Okay, it looks like I'm almost done. There are a couple of menu items in the bottom section, like this About menu item, which are still configured for the Yana demo journal. Let's go back to journal.js. Now these sections, About, For Authors, Links, things like that, will mostly be static. That is, they won't change issue to issue. Rather than set up syndicated RSS feeds, the easiest thing will probably be to write a very simple HTML file with the content and then modify the journal.js file to point to that HTML file. Let's take a look at my web server for Printer's Devil Review. So here on my web server, I've set up some very simple HTML files with information drawn from my site. So for example, let's open about.html. So as you can see, it's very plain HTML, paragraph tags, some strong and EM tags, and it's just information about my journal. More or less, I pasted it from my journal website. So one thing I want to emphasize, this file is on the same web server as my journal site. It's not part of the Yana file structure, which is currently on my desktop. So let's go back to the files on my desktop, back to journal.js. All I need to do now is replace the URLs for these static elements with URLs to the files on my web server. So I'll do that now. Okay, so now I can just save the file. Alright, let's take one last look at Yana's index.html file in our browser. I'm going to refresh the page so that it picks up the changes. And now when I look at About, the content is from my journal. Here in For Authors, we discuss our reading periods and the kind of work we're looking for, and provide a set of links to other journals that we like. Notice also that because I commented out the search section, that section no longer appears here on the top section of the main menu. I now have a fully functioning web application for my journal with access to articles from current and past issues, information about the journal, and a way to reach out to my readers with blog posts. In other videos, we'll take a look at how to create RSS feeds that will work well with Yana, and how to customize the look and feel of your application with different backgrounds, colors, and icons.